Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I just received this LP from Goldberg playing the Goldberg variations by Back. It comes in this very nice like plastic protector. On the first part of this we can see Glenn Gould on the cover, and here we got a summary of the history of Glenn Gould. We open it, we see more of the same history I've said, but now on German, I think, and French, and some pictures. This is the original cover of the disc, and here are some pictures of Glenn Gould while he was recording the Goldberg variations, and he is now older in those pictures. Now I've taken the sleeve out of the box. As you can see, it's a pretty nice disc. As you can see, it hasn't any scratch. It has a labeled information, the side of the disc, all important things that you need to know. But the most important thing is, how does it sound? So I've already connected my Victrola turntable. We'll turn it on. It's on phono, so it's ready.